Deforestation is a problem plaguing the earth. It's the removal of trees in a forest, usually through cutting or burning. It causes numerous problems within the ecosystem.
Approximately 177 million square miles of forest were cut down by 1850, and nearly 300 million square miles by 1910. It started becoming more serious in the 1950s when rainforests became the main target of deforestation.
Agriculture is the main reason for their need of deforestation. Farmers burn the stumps in order to get the nutrients they need for the soil. But the nutrients required to sustain life in the rainforest are in the plants and trees, not the soil.
Slash and burn is a process used for deforestation. The trees are cut down to stumps, then the stumps are burned, releasing nutrients for the soil in order to grow crops.
From 2015 to 2016, deforestation in the Amazon increased by 29% and continues to increase.
The problem with this process is that half the rain in tropical areas comes from evaporation of moisture in the canopy of the trees. Cutting them down reduces the amount of rain, raising temperatures and allowing the sun to heat up the land and dry it out.
This causes an unhealthy and unbalanced ecosystem. 70% of all land animals and plants live in forests, and many cannot survive through deforestation.
With fewer trees, there is less water in the air to be returned to the soil. This causes drier soil and the inability to grow crops. This is interesting considering 80% of all deforestation comes from small-scale agriculture and cattle ranching.
As more trees are cut down, humans will be directly affected as well. Without trees, oxygen isn't produced, so more trees we cut down, the less likely our survival is.
It is also increasing greenhouse gases that are released into the atmosphere. Currently, the rainforests in South America are responsible for 20% of Earth's oxygen, and they are disappearing at a rate of nearly 10 acres a decade.
As more trees are cut down, humans will be directly affected as well. Without trees, oxygen isn't produced, so the more trees we cut down, the less likely our survival is. It also produces lifeless soil, so we cannot grow crops, causing a food famine and drought. Lastly, we will no longer have any tree-based products, such as paper.
As seen on this graph, trees are being cut down at an increasing rate. If these rates continue, the effects on our Earth will be catastrophic.
Pressing issue, we decided to fund the Lorax Foundation. The Lorax Foundation's mission is to end deforestation and to preserve our world to get it back to what it used to be.
Because of this, we decided to create a product that raises awareness for deforestation. With half of the proceeds going to help end deforestation, it's a no-brainer. At the low price of $4, you can buy a lanyard and be a part of the movement to end deforestation and help raise awareness.
To order your lanyard, go to theloraxfoundation.org or call 1-800-123-1234. Again, that's 1-800-123-1234. Call now and get a free flower seed packet with your purchase. Save our Earth and buy one today.